Welcome students to our new YouTube channel Pharma Tech, the division of excellence. So let's start to our new chapter in pharmaceutical engineering, which is filtration and centrifugation. So let's start to this topic, filtration and centrifugation. So in that first we see the filtration. In that the definition of filtration. The filtration, it is the process of separation of solids from fluids by passing the same through porous medium that retains the solids but allows the fluid to pass through. Then next we see the mechanism of filtration. The first mechanism is straining. It is similar to sieving, means the particles of larger size cannot pass through the smaller pore size of filter medium. Then second mechanism is impingement, in that the solids move with streamline flow and strike the filter medium. Then the third mechanism is entanglement, in that the particle becomes entangled in mass of fiber due to small size of particle than pore size. Then the fourth mechanism is attractive force. The solids are retaining due to attractive forces between particles and filter medium. Then next we have to see in the types of filtration. The first type is surface filtration. It is also known as screen filtration. The examples are membrane filter. The second type is depth filtration, and the examples are ceramic filter and sintered filter. And the third type is cake filtration. Examples are filter cake made from diatomite. Then next we see the filtration equipments. The first is pressure filters. The first pressure filter equipment is plate and frame filter press, and the principle is surface filtration, and the characteristics and use of plate and frame filter press is it is used for sterile filtration, collection of antitoxins, use for slurries contain less than 5%. And the second is metafilter. It is also known as edge filter, and the principle of metafilter is surface filtration, and the characteristics and use of metafilter is it contains semi-solid metals ring. It is used for clarification of syrup, insulin, liquors and injections. And the second equipment is vacuum filter, and in vacuum filter the filter lip is used, and the principle of filter lip is for surface filtration, and the characteristics and use of filter lip is it is used for 5% solids containing slurries. And the next equipment is sieve filters. In that first cartridge filter, and the principle of cartridge filter is sieving, and the characteristics and use of cartridge filter is it contains two membrane filter made up of polypropylene, and it is used for preparation of free solution for parenteral and ophthalmic use. And the next is drum filter. It is also known as rotary filter, and the principle of drum filter is for sieving, and the characteristics and use of drum filter is it is used for slurries containing 30% solids, and in production of penicillin the drum filter is used. And the last is centrifugal filter in centrifugation. So in that first we see the definition of centrifugation. The centrifugation, it is a unit operation employed for separating the constituents present in dispersion with aid of centrifugal force. Then next we see the classification of centrifuge. The first type is sedimentation centrifuge, and the use of sedimentation centrifuge is it is used for blood plasma separation, preparation of bacterial enzymes, manufacturing of insulin. It is also used for clarification of olive and fish liver oil. Then the next is filtration centrifuge, and it is used for obtained anhydrous products. And the next one is ultracentrifuge. It is used in colloidal research for separate solid from liquids. RPM 85,000. Then next one is angle centrifuge. Its angle is 40 to 50 angle. And the next one is high speed centrifuge. It works in RPM 10,000. The next we see the equipments in centrifugation. The first equipment is perforated basket type, and the principle of perforated basket type is filtration. And the use of perforated basket type, it is used for separating crystalline drug like aspirin. Then next, non-perforated basket type, and the principle of non-perforated basket type is sedimentation, and it is used when deposited solids offer high resistance to flow. Then the next equipment is short cycle automated batch centrifuge, and the principle is filtration, and it is used for semi-continuous type. Then next one is horizontal centrifuge, and the principle of horizontal centrifuge is sedimentation, and it is used for slurries contains 0.5 to 50% of solids. Then next one is super centrifuge, and the principle of super centrifuge is sedimentation, and it is used for separating liquid phase of emulsions. Then next is D-level clarifier, and the principle of D-level clarifier is sedimentation, and the uses of D-level clarifier is it is used in manufacture of antibiotics, separation of cream from milk, concentration of rubber wax, removing solids from oils and inks are the uses of D-level clarifier. Hence, this is the end of this topic, filtration and centrifugation. Hope you like this chapter. So please, if you like this chapter, please comment and share this video more and more to your GPAT aspirants as well as CET aspirants. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much. Welcome students to our new